Imagine being paid to play. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually make a decent amount of money by just playing games or doing simple tasks that you'll get rewarded for immediately. Believe it or not, it actually is possible to earn money online this way, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. This strategy is available to absolutely everybody, everywhere. You can do it on the go, and you don't need to invest any money into it, so it's completely free of charge and free of risk. Also, you don't need any skills or experience. A complete newbie and a seasoned hustler could carry out this method. All you need is your device, an internet connection, and the instructions that I'm about to break down to you in this video. So be sure to stay alert through every minute of this short money-making video, right until the end. And just before we dive into today's method, please show us some love and support by hitting the thumbs up button down below and subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on a brand new money-making opportunity. Also, if you have any thoughts or questions at any point, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section below, because we absolutely love hearing from you guys. Now, let's talk about where the money is at. With these 3 awesome websites, you can make tons of money online and even up to $3,000 every single day. When I heard about this project, I was mind blown. With a pay rate as huge as that, who wouldn't get fascinated, right? This is a great method with tons of great features and perks that are all in place for your own benefit, and I'm gonna dive into them now. So, the first website is called GetPaid2.com. You might be wondering, get paid to what? Well, with this website, you can get paid to do surveys, play games, perform quick tasks, and finish simple offers online. Right off the bat, you can see that with GetPaid2.com, you can earn money every time you go online. Like they said right here, earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. So, how does it work? How are you going to navigate the website and make it your very own weapon to achieve massive success? Well, I want you to scroll down the main page a bit and you can find these 3 very quick steps right here. Step number 1, do tasks like filling in surveys, watching videos, playing games, and even more. Step 2, earn points. The conversion rate is pretty attainable, as you can earn $1 each time you achieve 5,000 points. Now keep in mind that when you lay your hands on this platform, you are going to discover that 5,000 points is easy to get, which means that you can earn lots of money very quickly, since 5,000 points is quite low, thus making your income potential limitless. Finally, step 3 is to simply get paid. Redeem your points for gift cards, cash, and many more methods to claim your money. As you continue to scroll down, you're going to see that there's tons of online games for you to play, which seem like so much fun. There's also high-paying surveys where you can just get your views heard and start getting paid for your time spent online. Offer walls are also presented for you, so you can try as many different types of offers as you can to see what you can achieve in your free time each day. There's also the Quick Points method, where you can get rewarded just for watching music videos, adverts, trailers, and filling in CAPTCHAs. There's a plethora of opportunities for you to pursue with this first website, which makes it a beast for you to earn fat stacks of cash quickly and efficiently. Now that we are done with GetPaid2.com, let's move on to our second website for today, which is called Big Time Cash. This is an app that you can download for free on your mobile device, and it's actually available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple Play Store, which screams convenience for all users across the globe. It doesn't matter what device you're using, whether it's an Android or an iOS device, because either way, it's going to work perfectly just for you. So, what is this app anyway? As you can see, this is where you can win cash by playing free games, as they are trying to share back their revenues. That's just the beginning. Let's go over how we can execute this method and work our way around the app with these 3 quick steps. Step number 1, play. Choose one of the many games in Big Time and collect tons of tickets. Step 2, earn. The more tickets you earn, the higher your chance of winning the cash prizes. And lastly, step number 3, win. When the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and the winner is drawn. Here on the main homepage, you can actually see this wide array of games that you can play in order to start your journey in this money-making niche. Now, if you stay tuned, I'm going to tell you a little secret on what games to actually play so you can fast-track your money-making method quickly. But before I do that, let's scroll further down. This section here shows all the highly satisfied users who are happy with how the app is genuinely helping them achieve financial freedom. As you can see, some users right here earn as much as over $4,000, and that's insane! The average amount of earnings that you can get with Big Time Cash will never go below $1,000. And you can see this through how all of these users earn well above that amount, ranging from $3,000 up to over $4,000. If you scroll down some more, you can actually find more details about this app that you can read about, such as their identity and introduction, as well as their purpose and goals for starting this platform. There's also a section which contains some frequently asked questions, and you have all the liberty in the world to go over these and feel secure in pursuing this money-making method. Anyway, let me give you a little tip now. Out of all of these games, I want you to focus on only 1 to 3 games so that you can become more and more proficient in the games that you've chosen. This will then make you a much more effective player, which in turn allows you to earn lots of money quickly. A personal favorite of mine is the game called Galactic Gateway. Since it's very easy and of course very fun, I suggest you give it a try for sure. Now, the last website for today's video, but certainly not the least, is called Pogo.com. Pogo.com houses one of the world's largest platforms to play games online. Not only are you going to have an immensely good time with this website, you're also going to make tons of money out of it. Pogo.com is where you can play free online games that range many categories as you explore the whole page. Based on my experience, playing solitaire games really has a huge turnout, so I recommend you pursue those types of games. But hey, if those games aren't your cup of tea, then you're always free to discover some more. If you choose to play solitaire games, then simply click on the corresponding category right here, and it will lead you to this page where you can now gain access to this huge assortment of games that you can play that all correspond to how solitaire works. Feel free to explore the page and click on all the games one by one to locate the perfect game for you. You can choose to view the guidelines as well as watch the game walkthroughs to give you the full idea of how you're going to work your way around it. There are also some additional features for you to make more money much faster and easier, and this is through their Challenge Central. Here, you can find some challenges that refresh every day or every week. I strongly advise you to complete these challenges, since they're an excellent way for you to earn money. So given these groundbreaking features offered by Pogo, I'm sure that you're super interested. So don't waste any time and sign up for an account. By the way, this is all for free. Simply click on this button on the upper right corner of the page and it will lead you to this page where you can now begin your registration journey. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. So that's all 3 websites for today covered. Be sure to try all 3 out, and you can either pick your fave or you can keep going with all 3, as they are 3 different streams of income. Let us know how it goes for you in the comment section below, and let us know what your favorite website is. If you've learned anything new today, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be the first to know when we've uploaded another amazing brand new money-making method that could completely change your life. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.